Ayan. Pwede po bang mahingi yung konting palakpakan kung meron po tayong i-announce sa special persons tonight? And of course, maraming salamat po to our board member, Jerome Librando. Thank you so much. To our PPSK President or board member, Lawrence Cinco. Thank you so much po. To our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Roy Vincent Cinco. Maraming salamat po, Mayor. To our Municipal Vice Mayor, Ian Michael Cinco. Palakpak naman po. Ayan, to all our SB members, thank you so much. To our ABC President, Honorable Walter Tucao. And to our SKF President, Honorable Wilmar Ferrari. Thank you. At sa lahat po ng mga barangay captains and barangay officials of the 14 barangays of Hinatilan. Maraming salamat po. At gusto po dito, Mayor Marites Moscato of Santander. Maraming salamat. To Mayor Erlinda Piedad of Malabuyok. D. Alberto Francisco, District Engineer of DPWH of District 7, and Honorable Merlon De Rama, our former Mayor of Bundon. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Ready na po ba kayong makinig ng mga love songs ngayong gabi? Sino po mahilig ng love songs tonight? Gusto niyo ng sorpresa? Gusto niyo ba ng sorpresa? Sige, bigyan natin sila ng sorpresa.
Sa next one namin, sino ba mga in love dito ngayong gabi? Sino ba mga single dito ngayong gabi? Para sa lahat ng mga in love ngayong gabi, para sa ating lahat.
na sila. Mamimigay tayo ng sorpresa ngayong gabi. Alright! Para sa lahat ng mga mahihingal at malalakas kumanta ngayong gabi. Okay na kayo lahat dyan?
Yung mga pinakamalakas dito yung energy ngayong gabi. Bibigyan namin ng success.
Let's go share the live, guys. 788 viewers. Let's go share the live.
Oh, yeah.
Siyempre, bibigyan natin by side yan. Gusto niyo ba? Kanina para sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal at para sa lahat ng mga in-love. Ngayon, pwede ko bang malaman sino mga niloko ngayong gabi? Sino mga niloko ka ng gabi? Ako lagi. Hindi ka naman
Alibog lagi mo ha. Sumpa ni or daily, sama ni. Alibog lang ko ninyo guys. May pa manghatag mo glood ya. Manghatag mo glood eh. Sige reklamo mo ha. Ay sige reklamo mo. Tanaw lang mo diya guys. May ganyan na live.
Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Come on, everybody say!
Ano sige reklamo? Lagi. Yes, kan I press mic sumaway. Alipay pero pasalamat sa live, no? Salamat kayo. Okay, sige reklamo bitaw. Yeah.
Malayo ka para kapiling ka. Mahal. Sabay-sabay, say! Kumusta ka? Shout out sa second floor. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Say,
much. 250 stars from Sarah. Thank you. Murag na live. Na-live di ka may nas. 2 stars ka ron. Ang halik mo.
Maraming salamat sa mga sumakay. Ano sa mga give you another song, guys? And happy birthday to Mary Chan and Jimmy. Sa'yo lang aawin.
Bahala lang ko na may halin.
Sisigawan pangalan mo, Oscar! Iisip mo walang panaginip lahat ng ito. Bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap ng nawa ka na lumihis. Mula'y marusap, teka lang, ika'y humito. Bago mong iwan, aayusin natin ito. Dahil sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Ba't ka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo, lapit ng lapit, ako'y nalapit.
Thank you so much sa stars, no? 580 pang stars sa bawat guys.
Sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Ikaw ay sa'yo lang nalangin, kahit di handa sa'kin. Thank you for seeing us dancing with me. Gusto nyo ba mag-party tonight? Gusto nyo mag-sumayaw? Come on, everybody, dance and shout! Come on, dance and sumayaw! Everybody dance, come on, party people, let's go! Let me shine! stop us now. And if this world is out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Stop us. Oh, nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. There's still each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. And we can be together, stand strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world is out of lovers, we will still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Everyone together, dance to the song.
Yes, Barbies, Rodriguez, thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. Ayan, mamaya na tayo magsayawan. Inay-inay lang tayo. Nag-enjoy ba tayo dyan? Okay lang ba tayo dyan sa likod? Dyan sa gilid, ayos na ba tayo dyan? Yung may mga dalang bata, ingatan natin yung mga bata ha. Baka maipit silang lahat ang mga bata natin dyan. Ingatan natin.
Ano sa'yo guys? Meron pa ba tayong jersey?
Meron tayong jersey dito. Ibibigay namin kung sinong makita namin na pinaka-sweet na couple po ngayong gabi. Meron pa mga couples dyan.
Kasi yung makikita kong sumayaw na mag-couple ngayong gabi. At tinapos talaga yung kanta na to, no? Dahil napakaganda kanta to, ibibigay ko sa kanya ng jersey na to.
Tingnan natin.
Couple na ba dyan?
Pinaka-sweet na couple. Makita namin. If I ever fall in love, it's gonna be
Just trust in me, I'll show you my love.
And I know it's hard to let someone inside in your arms, feeling ready now to try. Everyone say, if I ever fall in love, that's sometimes get this broken heart and everybody gone. I know it's gonna be, don't want to pull it through, so I don't run. Yeah. If I ever fall in love again, I'll be a fool to ever let you know. You're the best thing in my life, but I know I gotta take it slow. I'm away, mga bagong kasal. Let's go! Let's go!
Thank you pala sa pagpapal kanina. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, no, it's gonna it's you. You're the one to pull me through, though I do it alone. If I ever find love again, if I ever fall apart.
And it's it's our favorite song also. Yes. Meron pa ba dyan?
Ako ba?
Oo. Kasi yung next song natin, yung pagkalo ni BJ bigay ko. Okay lang? Yung kalo na lang ko yata.
Kung next song po, imong jacket akong yata.
Pwede parang isa yung telegram. Hope you like the song. Pwede kayo sumabay guys. Pwede sa mumusayaw sa bridge park. Ganahan mumusayaw. Ako lang ihatag yata. Gusto mo? Makita na mo, di na ka. Hawag mo sayaw karong gabi. Wow. Ako yung challenge na talan.
Maduro ka ba lang mga millennials sa next song? Okay.
So good about this song. If you know the song, you can sing along with me, guys. And dance together and everyone. Kung ano ang jacket, sabayin niyo po.
Someday they may get have a name. Still loving inside. Baby, it's time. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won it.
Excited yung dancer namin.
Rockets, some burning.
Just a simple feeling like a can. It's the only way I can. Never too young to go on the street. But somehow some things never change. Maybe the time is it's gonna be better, brighter than it did before.
She's back with me tonight, and it feels so right. Maybe it's time to love. Wala na po yun eh.
Hindi na ko sumayaw kanina. Hindi pa lang umpisa. Pabigyan mo lang po. Thank you so much. Jacket ko na naman kaya.
Wala na po yung ulit. Yung nakuha ko nila.
Okay kayo. Dapat salamat palakpakan ng mga sarili. Ayan, maraming salamat po. This time, ginagawa mo namin to everywhere. Kung saan po kami tumutugtog. So gagawin din natin dito sa hinapilan. Okay lang ba? Mag-request lang po gamay. Pwede na ito i-turn on natin mga flashlight sa cellphone. No, kasi na ipakita sa Facebook kung saan nakalaghan na yung gabi. Ayan, sige, i-turn on natin flashlights.
Oy, yung nasa likod pala, yung sa harap ng LED, ayos ba tayo dyan? Tagal natin ang ating mga kamay with flashlights, come on. Pagkita natin sa buong Cebu, gano'n tayo karami ngayong gabi!
Yes, come on! Baka mag-viral to para sa inyong lahat. Hope you like this. Sabayan niyo po ako. This wonderful song.
You look at me, baby, wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, the California glow. Without the light to be that I couldn't find. So when I'm home, I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, thank you so much. When the sun goes down and the band was playing, I'll always remember us this way. Brothers in the night, for the shadow ride. You don't know how to ride the time we try. But I didn't know you're where I wanna go. To find me, it's you forever. So when I'm on your top and I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, maybe it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just somebody, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. So when I hold you down and I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us. It's a and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Say that I before, but that's why things I found all along it takes to wrong. How to swing on your line, to this life. That's why I need to start to sing. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. I wanna be the one to make
That's the energy!
Take you care of all those things that I've been looking for the wrong way too long now.
Asan na yung energy natin dyan?
Seems like something must come to you.
Sabay-sabay! Let's go!
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to pay your bills. Not even if you smile, still smile. Not even if you let me like this. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to pay your bills. Not even if you smile, still smile. Not even if you let me like time after time, nothing that I can do.
Asan yung mga dancer dito?
Leaving the past behind, falling to something, tears and burdens and
Pwede ko pumasayang yan sa lawas. Ayaw ko yung ayaw ko yan.
This life is much better out there. I cannot forget you, I cannot find. And it's the way to try. Get high, get high. So no one, come on. Come on, get me breathless and keep just me until I can deny it. So now oh no, I'm not asleep. And I bet I'm all to play from. Don't lose it, don't lose it. So no one, come on, make me breathless and keep this me until I get deny it tonight. Let me offer your peace from my no one, yeah. I'm a Christ,
Until I can't deny it tonight. For your peace, so on, go on, come on, live breathless, go on, come on, live breathless, go on, come on, live breathless, go on, go on. Picture para namin remembrance para tuloy-tuloy na ang sayawan.
Alright.
Sige, makuha kaya nito na?
Alright, yung mga nasa likod, taas natin ang ating mga kamay para makita tayo sa camera.
Yeah, siguro ka?
Diril pa. Alright, taas natin ang ating mga kamay. O, yan nasa likod, pwede natin itaas yung mga cellphone natin na may flashlight yung pinakadulo, kung kaya ba, para makita tayo sa camera. Alright, taas kamay, 3, 2, 1! Si Eli! Si Oscar!
Alright. Ay, nandito po ba si
Tawagin
Mayor?
natin si Mayor, isali natin si Mayor
Yes.
para kompleto. Mayor!
Sino ba yung mga officials natin dyan? Mga dyan din si Vice.
Sa gilid, taas ng kamay, makikita tayo sa camera. Itag nyo na lang yung...
Para mai-remembrance tayo. Mayor, tara na yun.
Bilugan nyo na lang yung mga itsura nyo sa Facebook. Okay? Alright.
Tsaka si Vice nandyan din.
Opo, sige
All
po.
officials, kung nandito po kayo, pwede
Pwede ba makipag-picture? Saglit lang.
Yes.
O, hindi pa tayo tapos sa pagkahuman natin. Manayo pa tayo sa kilometro, magbudos pa tayo sa kanango, ang buwan pa. Kasi mayo magbudos rin.
Layat ng mga aliens, sayaw-sayaw, chong.
Taro na.
So, atong paabotot sila Mayor. Nalagi kay Carlo ganyan nasa matubigan.
May order sabi.
Isa nakakuha atong cup gani. Ganyan si Sir, no? Ang pingi, Sir, hayo, baligya, Sir, ha?
Alright, ayan na, mga officials natin. Picture taking na tayo.
May daanan po ba sila dyan? Ay, iikot pa sila.
Brothers, ginahulat na to sila. Hip, hip! Johnny, Johnny! Eating sugar! Eating banana cue! Banana cue na, banana cue rin.
Sa mga wala kayo nakaila sa mga kami ang Sweet Notes Music, ha? Pwede nyo kami i-follow sa aming social media platform.
Ikaw lang, sweet note. Ako, may palagoy mo ko. Okay, Rita. Marami mong Oscar na.
Grabe niya si Mang Energy, dire.
Diyan na sa guys, sa tayo dyan. World Children Party na niya silikon, makapadala, balon, oh.
Sila po sila Mayor.
Buti,
Naglibot
kasi
pa
bulok
sila.
pa.
Naglibot. Uy, daghang salamat kayo sa mga nag-adto karong gabi. Thank you sa mainit na pagtanggap sa Sweet Notes.
Oh, maraming salamat. First time mo namin dito, hindi namin nakalain ganito po kayo kadami dito ngayong gabi. Palakpakan natin yung ating mga sarili. Especially yung mga bumubuo ng events. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Ayan, picture tayo, Mayor, and lahat po ng bumubuo ng event, ating mga officials. And dito po tayo sa harap.
Thank you.
Yan. Pagkumanan niya, mga ninong, mga abay.
Come on. Dito po
Alright.
tayo para mas kita yung tao. Napalakpak naman po kayo dyan. Yung po yung ating mga officials tonight. Maraming salamat po for inviting us here.
Sige po.
Yes.
Ayan na. Ayan na, kompleto na. Kaya naman kami aning stage share. Hindi na mo bro. Sige. Tara, ating official photographer at saka yung photographer namin. Sige.
Ay, marami tayong officials tonight.
Okay.
Salamat po sa inyong presensya.
Yes,
At
picture
sa
lang.
pag-invite sa amin.
Oh, yeah. Alright, Mayor, dito po. Oh.
Alright.
Alright, taas kamay!
Taas kamay!
Hinatilan, taas kamay!
Abante, hinatilan!
Yes! Happy Fiesta! Taas kamay, 3, 2, 1!
Thank you. Yeah.
Yay!
Happy Fiesta!
Sa ating official photographer. Sige.
Okay.
3, 2, 1! Ano ba yung sign natin dito? Buron siya.
Cebu.
1, 2, 3. Ano?
Let's go!
1, 2, 3!
One Cebu!
1 Cebu!
Yes.
Isa lagi ng Cebu.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3!
Okay, maraming salamat po.
Alright, maraming salamat sa ating mga
Thank you,
officials. Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you
Salamat
po.
po.
Guys, salamat.
Yes.
Ngayon, salamat po. Opo.
Di pa tayo tapos ha? Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. Okay po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Gusto niyo pa sumayaw? Grabe!
Let's listen down in the marketplace. Molly is the singer in the band. Let's listen to my brother like your face. Molly sings it even design out your oh Blackie, oh Blacka, that is all round. La 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 la. Oh Blackie, oh Blacka, that is all round. La 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 la. Yes, 20th century in the jewel stars buys a 20-carat golden ring. Takes it back to morning waiting and as I want to ring. She give it to me, she begins to sing. 1, 2, 3. Oh Blackie, oh Blacka, that is all round. La 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 la, goes on. Let's go. Oh Blackie, oh Blacka, that is all round. La 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 la, goes on. Let's get it. Let's go. And all of this that you built a home. Sweet notes music. Come on. We are up there in the marketplace. That's one less that you can let.
Uy, sayang mo niya,
I still the time is too pretty face. And then leave me just the wondering.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, that is all proud. La, la, la,
Basta natin, Chelsea. Come on.
oh, bloody, that is all proud. La, 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 goes on. Let's go! And you got the kids that you feel down. Sweet corn, hey, everybody down. And you got the kids running in the yard. This morning, just happy ever up there in the marketplace. There's one list that you remember. There's the seasonal and it's a pretty face in the evening just to see you here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bloody, that is all. La, 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 goes on.
Hold on.
Oh, bloody, that is all. La, 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 goes on. Then once in a while, take all my deep like that.
Just one more time.
Everyone chant. Sunday morning, I pray the Lord. I sing on taking, walking the park. Say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me. When I see her, all that you say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day.
Sabay, sabay.
Everybody say, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Oh, yeah, it's a beautiful night. Cause I see me, you by my side. Let's take our power and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, come on. We'll drive on and follow the sun, making Sundays go on and on. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day.
You must follow.
Beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day.
You sabay. You know.
Beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day.
Sayaw, sayaw.
Sige, pesan ni diam-diam. Pinsay maayos masaya bayang-bayang. Oh, sweet child of mine.
Ala, sayaw, sayaw. Ikaw kayo pasinalo, Ali.
Isa nag-request ni kanina kasi nag-request ni kasi maayo masaya dayang-dayang diha din. Kasi maayo masaya dayang-dayang diha.
Hala, 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 people.
Siyaw. Six na babaeng tingatan sa bibig. Six na babaeng
Tirihapon. Oh, maya, binulbul ka.
Sa mga mo sa dayang-dayang diri.
Hindi na, hindi na.
Dayang-dayang diri.
Kaganina pag request na gusto na gibila musaya o budots kita na lang budots ka Ay, maulang mo yun mo. Kaulang mo yung enjoy ang gabi ni. Kaya patagsa na ni. Gusto mo mag-enjoy ka ron, isano na dindugi mo, di ba? Mag-enjoy mo ka ng gabi. Halak ka ron next song para sa iyong naman.
Alex, na mo, kinsa mga kasagot ang Bisaya niya. Siyempre, kinsa mga Bisaya niya. Basta nag-request ni, mag-Bisaya daw takad Diyos. O, sige. Ato pagbigyan.
Para kay Kisha mo din.
Inisiplak sa alansa, sa'yo sa kabog-kabog. Masundong ka ang katahon, di ka liputan. Di ka landayan sa lahit, nakakalamdaman. Nananakay, di ka bukiran. Kung patulong sa pagsalip sa kahabonan. Oy, kapikinan yun. O sa luglan na walay naglaylan, sa kasing-kasing away nagsakmay, sa makay nanay nga wakatagay ay nangalakay. Hindi na ko, yung hindi na ko dahil imong lipon, mohuyos pa man hinoon. Kasi na way kinutupan, way hunong ang iyang gidulman. Oy! Ayayay, ayayay, ngano sa ituman. Sinusulat sa along sa silip sa kabog-kabog. Oh yeah! Kumaugiro. Masunod ka ang katahong man, di ka liputan. Sayawin, sayawin niya, sayawin! Di daling kaya sa langit at ang nagkalamdaman. Nananawin, di ka bukiran. Upong patulong sa pagsalap sa kahabonan. Sa duman na walang naglaylay, sa kasing-kasing away nagsakmay, sa makay tatay na sigit tagay ay nangalipay. One, two, three, go! O kinabuhi, yung hindi na mo gahi. O imong tukso, mohuyos naman hinoon. Ayayay, ayayay, ganong sakiton man. Kung kinabuhi, yung kundi na mong gahin. Ang mga ganda, o imong lipon, muhuyos pa man hinoon. May kinutuban, may hunong ng iyang gitulman. Ayayay, ayayay, ganong sakiton man. Ayayay, ayayay, ganong sakiton man. Ayayay, ayayay, ganong sakiton man.
Napaisa niya? Napaisa? Daghan pagibigay.
Next song. Hey, next song para sa mga bagong ipanganak. Hey! Ay mga hagis, ay mga hagis, yung pinagtihapol ko sa ganitwasan niya, awit sa among higat, lagikan sito. Agsurpan! Ay, tanawan na ito ginsig, bagong ipanganak ng mga ibuhok. Dako niyang problema, iyang buhok na labong, tirtinan ni isa, nahandok siyang maumaw. Pasig mo wapo, iyang hitsura, nang iso siyang itlog. May tayo ko Karon siya bukas pa kastilan tungod sa kabalakan. Ipakonsulta sa doktor na espesyalista pasyahin ang kuda. Kay ang doktor isang upawa wala ang resulta. Matagpas sa doktor nga okay na kanang imong kaupaw ayaw nagpapalaga. Kay madrugay maanad kara. Sabay-sabay ambot nga no dagang dihang mga upaw o puno. Asa mga upaw din balahibo labong paman kayo. Itagaan ako kalo ang atong ulo. Asa naman sa may hubon o aling ulo. Kawas nakita yun sa tao maugay makalbo. Hala tambag murag pasiaw Oscar ang labong malangaw. Kamalkunos ka upaw kinuslos lang sa ulo. Buhok mo tubo ang sa kadanaw. Iyak pininggit tuman labong ginusos kini adlaw-adlaw. Bali usap si mana isusigi kang aw. Ang upaw isamot kasinaw. Pwede ba nang may hatag kong taloy? Yata? Lisa na mo t-shirt? Okay na? Okay, kalo. Ang kalo. Dako niyang problema iyang buhok na labo. Serpinan ni Pisa nahadlok siyang maupaw. Pagkatipay itsura italaw siya sa amin. Iyang nawumurang simot sa bakti. Sa likod o pilit murang silito lapit. Apan ang ibabaw simoy abunda. Asa sa sir? Sir! Ano sir? Sir niya kayo. Pagkatipay. Sige. Hindi lang niya.
Gusto niyo mo ba? Ay, itong exam namin, gusto po namin sumabay po kayo sa sumayin niyo po kami sa chorus. Ayos na ba doon? Tayo lahat dyan? Na sumabay ngayon? Alright. This song's for you guys. Sana po magustuhan po ninyo. At sabay-sabay po tayo mag-enjoy. Sumay. Come on! Come on! Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Come on. Say no. Say hey, hey, ho. Hey, hey, ho. Say give me that. Everybody say, come on. Say, clear your mind. Just say. Everybody say, listen to my picture on to me. Baby, show me your mind. You're my darling angel. Let's go. Girl, you're my friend that I can be. Baby, look, there's one thing I do wanna say. The whole summer I'll go up when it's all done. It's all over when you're looking at that one. Can't be a voice on a mother caution. Looking that's up the obvious of it, son. I said me up, give her a rock something. I see no little money, that's the reason I wanna see the nice. I am a teenager. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling. Listen to my picture on to me. People listen to this one. Shutting up my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend that I need. Hey, you're a king and I do something good. I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm doing. And I feel how I come from so healed and I'm taking me good and it's so complete. I said that's all I'm saying, they go wrong. I'm too proud, must be wrong, I don't stop. I'm feeling that I'm feeling so strong. I'm feeling so long, I'm feeling so long. Girl, you're my angel.
nag-ibog na siya. Abi niya o labatira, hindi magwapa, pero nag-ibog na siya. Abi niya ubog si Ira, kailan kong paa, nag-ibog na siya. Nakakaingon ka, makatiyag na wong, ayaw ka balaka, ako pandi ko po. Akong inian ko sa mga kantsaw, na ako mo yan daw ang hinangin o kakaw. Hoy, grabe, na ayaw mga tawa, namin ipabalik, yung ipakulata. Magpaabot lang, basta sa lahon, na ako tiyak na, baka yun ni Power. Let us sing, everybody sing it. Listen and my piece you want to me. Hey, hey, shawty, I'm my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm with me. Hey, shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Listen and my piece you want to me. Hey, shawty, I'm my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm with me. Baby, ay, sumunod lang dyan! Para sa ikaw, baby, sumabay, hindi mo isa. Ay, sumunod dyan! Sing along! Pwede ba isabayan sa chorus? Come on! Let's go! Hindi ko walang pumangin, puro na lang masangit. Hindi ko walang pumangin, puro hero maggalit. Hindi ko walang pumangin, naging tatang may pangit. Hindi ko walang pumangin, parang nalayo ng langit. Come on, come on, come on. Sabay-sabay. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Kayo po na nakaupo. Kayo po na nakaupo. Tumayo, bring it out. I take you out, ako nandiyan mo papel sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran. Mataas na bagay, pinapaligiran, nakapilang mga mamahalin sa samiyan. Mga patay na lagi pulong ng gulong, wala na makasal pero marami yung nakabaro. Lumakas pa ng ulan na walang butas ang bubong, mga plakat at tsara ay kinikilala ang totoo. Matagkain na sandali, nagagas na sa kahon. Kaya hindi pasko sa mesa amay hamon. Sarap siguro matiraan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nilo, kumuhin malalagpuan at taon na nagmamayari kang isang upuan. Kung pagkakataunay pinagkakagawa, kaya naman pinagkakawalan kumakisama ko lang sa ayaw pinahalikan. Tumayo po na nagkaso. Tumayo, bring it on your mouth. Let's go, let's go. Mula ka na po sa tao na kaupo, walang pinapataga sa bigas namin. Puno, dinig na bahay namin, ipinatapit-taping hero. Sobrang init at tumutunaw ng yelo na di kaya pinito pangyayagay sa inumin. Inutubig sa lumat na kaming uling-uling. Bilang panggatang na inalog lamang sa isero. Isusunod ko sila sa umangi namin banyo. Ang aking inay na nagkilama ng isang kalero. Dinagamit ko pa ng aking umahin sa pera. Pero pulo na kulang pa rin, pulo na tuloy kasi. Aso ko tayo sa mga hapit kakakasahin. Hindi ko walang putali ng maraming harang ang mataas na pagbago nung nagbubulat. Wala na lamang po kayo. Kahit sa dami na pera nyo walang kupura makapagpapay. Kasi ng mga kanya-kanya, wag nang masyado Todo sa langit, ang magmamahal. Wag nang masyadong ng tao. Todo sa langit, ang magmamahal. Wag nang masyadong wag nang masyadong halata. Wag nang masyadong halata. Wag nang masyadong halata. Yung sasabihin ako, mic check, yo. Yung parinig naman ng rapo, sambol naman dyan, gano'n naman ang kapo. Agura na yan, kaya kung mo naman, wala ka naman na nagbago. Bakit wala kang bakit? Ako naman mataluhan. Paulit-ulit, ano ng mga tao, basta na mapurado. Anong magagawa isip, masyado pang mainit. Akala mo tuloy mo kasi wala na makatahimik. Pagod na talaga, kahit ituloy raw. Walang oras sa van, walang oras sa kalabaw. Tapos kauwi ko pa, para bang hindi ko malaman kung bakit ang buhay ko ay parang bang naging pelikula. Lagi ko yan, naghanap ang kape, nilalumukos. Ang dami ng kapong hindi nakutos. Tula ng aking ballpen, malapit ng maubos. Isang matagal lang, pero aking ibubuhos. Break it down.
Palakpakan ng dyan! Sino ba ito? Sino mga millennials ngayong gabi? Millennials! Hindi na kasama mga African, sing with me. May sa mga nandito ngayong gabi. Especially sa likod, para kay Mata Jen. Sabayan niyo po ako. Come on. Lahat ng mga millennials sa mundo. Come on. Here we go. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback stars are standing there. All I got to me is no fair. See the lights, see the party, the progress. See you make the way, put it right and say hello. Yeah, I know. You know the song, come on! But you were Romeo, you were flowing. There was in my goddess, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I've been waiting, all the stuff to do is wrong. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. So I sneak out to the kind to see you. We keep right, cause we're better than lose the what you want. Escape this time for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was just fighting. Stay away from Juliet, but you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. So, and I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I've been waiting, all the stuff to do is wrong. You'll be a princess, I'll be a princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, say, baby, try to tell me how. You said it's good, but it's a weird thing. Don't be afraid, make it out of this space. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, please come on. So, I'm tired of waiting. Wondering if you would ever come around. My fame was fading. Then next thing all you want is to play. And that's it. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never promised me. In my head, I don't know what you think. You brought to the ground. Put it by the way to say, right, right. To be alone, I love you. Like something low, take to the night. I wanna be I it's a love story, baby, just say yeah. It's a love it's you don't go like you're sorry. She's perfect, she's upset, she's tired of thinking it's okay that she but she doesn't enjoy being alive. You know the song, don't be shy. I really listen to the vibe she's getting. Listen to the vibe, listen she doesn't. But she doesn't, but she really wait. I was like, she very short. the streets, with me and more what I think this is how it ought to be. Now that I'm out, I'm speaking to myself. Easy, it's easy. You gotta smile. I will try. I have it to the wild since you put you. I know you better than that. You should do it better like that. She was like it, I was deeper. She's cheering back to that. I'm on your feature. Thinking about the day when you wake up and find the touch up. Very night, speaking in the whole time. You can see it around the one who understands. Being one who loves, so why can't you see? Come along with me. So stand by me, waiting to find all this time. I'm built to run with me. You belong with me. You belong with me.
Guys, sige guys. Ako i-off na ako live na. Okay, ano niya guys, i-off na live.